The National Weather Service has issued a winter weather warning for the Cascade Mountains of Pierce and Lewis County. Snow expected above 3,000 feet. Total snow accumulations of 16 to 24 inches above 5,000 feet.
Welcome to the first real snowstorm of the season. I think I'm gonna spend it in this parking lot. This is the kind of snow that I live for. It's not windy. It's like snow globe snow. I love it. I moved my car a little bit just because this seems to be an area where the plows they plow the main parking lot and they turn around. So I just moved to the side because I'm going to be here overnight. So I don't want to be in the way. Well, I'm trying to be the least in the way as possible. Well, it's not perfect, but it does give me some protection, so dinner time.
So in honor of it being Game 7 and the Phillies need to win this to make it to the World Series, I am making Philly cheesesteaks. I don't eat meat though, so I'm using king oyster mushrooms, and we're gonna see how it turns out.
You gotta season it well. Soy sauce, paprika, pepper, garlic powder, little crushed red pepper, oil. You want it to look something like that. Now this is very important. There's a constant argument over the best kind of cheese to put on a Philly cheesesteak. Some people say Cheese Whiz, I've heard provolone. I usually go with the cheapest, fakest American cheese you can find. I just don't do Cheese Whiz, but this is a close second to me. This is so good. Holy shit. Ah! King oyster mushrooms are insane. Texture-wise, honestly, kind of like looks like pulled pork a little bit. Time to take the tarp down. This is gonna be such a struggle for me. Okay, let's do it. That's one way to do it. Good enough.
takes it down and in, bounds up the third base line, but JT will get to it, and no advancement by either runner.
Did I pay just to hook up SiriusXM to my car because I don't have cell service and I need to listen to this game? Yeah. Yeah, I did. There's stakes, but it's paved ground, so I don't have anywhere to stick them. So I just put the reflectors in my tires because after sleeping in a car that got hit by a snowplow, I'm a little paranoid, but I put the reflectors in just as a safety precaution. However, it's cold, so I'm going back inside. We're in the lead.
The pitching coach is going to the mound. The Phillies have their first lead, and listen to that.
I love being a Phillies fan. Get a Moscow Mule. It's not as good as their big juicy IPA, but you know, it's the alcohol I currently have in my car. I'm gonna be here just listening to the game for the next hour, 2 hours, so that's about it. So they lost. Well, what does every sports fan say? There's always next year. That's what we tell ourselves. On the snow-related side of things, it is still snowing. Oh my god. Well, you can see where they plowed. We might be getting a lot of snow, guys. I don't know. Nice thing about snowstorms like this is it actually is not getting that cold tonight. It's only going down to like 27, 26 degrees Fahrenheit. So honestly, kind of warm night. I'm not actually going to sleep right now. I downloaded some Great British Baking Show because I don't have service, so I'm gonna watch that because I need something to put me in a better mood. Good morning. I can't see out my windows. Little chilly. It's a winter wonderland. I have to shovel now. It's actually less of shoveling and more of just moving the snow. It's very light. It's so light. I'm so used to Cascade concrete. I'm starting the car because I actually think I'm gonna be out of here like really easily once I clear off my car and defrost it. I'm obviously gonna take more snow off before I actually drive on the road, but for right now I just wanna get it out of this spot. Me. These are working way better than I thought. Short people problems. It's so hard to get the snow on the top of your car, but I figured it out. Oop, guys, look, the sky. Ah! All right, let's go see how the road is. I do have chains if I need them, but I don't know. It looks decent.
My day off.
My sister's obsessed with Costco.
Oh yeah.
Do you like it there?
Say again?
Do you like it?
Yeah, I like it, yeah.
I literally just pulled over because I saw that someone driving like a remote controlled car, and I was like, well, I want to film that. So I did. Met someone nice named Gunner. It's his day off and he came up here, which is pretty cool. And now we go down the worst part of the drive.